Welcome back to Naked Money. And hey, I just want to recap a little bit about what we talked about last week. I have had so many people reach out to me and say, all right, where do I put my money? Because I've been putting it out there that leaving your money in the bank right now is not the best choice, not the highest and best use. And I want to recap why. Everyone thinks our money is safe because of FDIC, federally insured. If we only understand that there's only 1.3% of money in the coffers or to insure all the bank accounts in our country, 1.3% of your money is covered. Basically, that's it. So, and people say, well, where are you getting this information? It's very easy to find this information. Just look at where we're at with the government. Our government is taking our tax dollars and sending them overseas. There's nothing really left for us here. And for our government to, ensure what the banks are doing, banks are lending out our money. When we put our money in a bank, if I give a bank $100,000, that bank can lend out 10 times, up to 10 times as much as I've given them. So they can use on that 100,000, they can lend out $1 million. And they are doing that. And guess what? When you go to say, okay, I want my $100,000 back, if we all go at the same time, they don't have enough money because they've lent out way more than they even have. And then to have the government come in and say, well, we'll federally insure that, it's all a bunch of nonsense, but that's really how it works. So here we all have our money in these banks. And, I work in the money business. I have so many different products in where you can put your money, which is much safer. And I talked about the option of life insurance, putting your money in a life insurance vehicle, because life insurance companies have to play by a different set of rules. So with life insurance companies, their safety net and their protections for you is they have to prove that they have the 100% entire full amount. So if you have a life insurance policy with a $100,000 death benefit, they have to prove that they have enough money in their coffers for every single person that they write. They have enough money in death benefit and coverages to take care of you. If you put an annuity in for $100,000, they have to prove that at all times they have that money in your account with the carrier. So anytime you're putting your money with a life insurance company, that money is so safe and so secure because they have to prove that they have all of that money in there. They have reinsurance companies that come in, so they have to prove that they have 80%. Reinsurance companies come in with the difference of 20%. But if either one of those failed, the state has to come in and step in and cover the difference. So your money is covered 3 different ways in a life insurance company. Whereas with your bank, it's not. FDIC insured, and they say up to $250,000 per account. But if we understand there's only enough money in there to cover 1.3%. So a lot of you have been reaching out to me and saying, okay, Cindy, where do I put my money? And I have to say this, I can't just answer you and tell you that. We need to sit down and have an appointment. As a licensed representative for you, I have to do my due diligence that the products that I'm telling you are good for you. I can get in so much trouble if I tell you the wrong thing, if I'm looking over your finances and I've given you the wrong advice. So when I sit down with clients, I spend an exhaustive amount of time making sure that the products that I'm telling you are a good fit for you. So let's get serious about your money. If you are worried about where to put this money, get a hold of me. Let's get an appointment. Let's sit down and get the facts on you so I can get the right products to best serve you for such a time as this. Cindy Birkland here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. And if you want more content, just need you to click right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, clicking right here. If any of these conversations have interested you, please get a hold of us at cindybirkland.com, or you can reach me at cindybirkland@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching.